Ever dropped your phone and watched it shatter in slow motion? Ever wondered why a basketball soars through the air or why you stay grounded when you jump? These are all questions that can be answered by understanding the force of gravity. But what about the laws that govern it? Today, we're diving deep into the world of physics and unraveling the mysteries behind Sir Isaac Newton's law of universal gravitation, specifically focusing on its regulation in Canada. Buckle up, science enthusiasts, because things are about to get interesting. Newton's law of universal gravitation, a cosmic attraction. Imagine the universe as a giant cosmic dance. Every object, from the tiniest pebble to the most colossal star, exerts a pull on every other object. This invisible force, as defined by Newton's law of universal gravitation, is what keeps our solar system in order and explains why we don't just float off into the abyss. The law states that the force of gravity between two objects is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. In simpler terms, the bigger the objects and the closer they are, the stronger the gravitational pull. This law has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. It helped us predict planetary movements, understand the nature of tides, and even launch rockets into space. It's the foundation of classical mechanics, a branch of physics that describes the motion of objects under the action of forces. But is a law really a law? So, here's the twist: Newton's law of universal gravitation isn't actually a law in the legal sense. It doesn't come with a police force or a court system to enforce it. Laws are established by governments to regulate human behavior and maintain order within a society. Newton's law, on the other hand, is a scientific principle. It's a fundamental truth about the universe that has been repeatedly tested and confirmed through experimentation and observation. Scientists use these principles to develop models and theories that explain the natural world. The regulatory realm of physics in Canada. Science plays a vital role in our everyday lives, and Canada recognizes its importance. The National Research Council of Canada, NRC, is a federal agency responsible for promoting and supporting scientific research throughout the country. They work with universities, industries, and other research institutions to foster innovation and technological advancement. However, the NRC doesn't regulate scientific laws like Newton's law of universal gravitation. These laws are inherent to the universe and don't require external enforcement. Think beyond the textbook. While Newton's law may not be on any legal codebook, it has a profound impact on various regulations in Canada. For instance, Transport Canada, the federal agency responsible for transportation safety, relies on the principles of physics to establish regulations for aircraft design, operation, and maintenance. These regulations ensure the safety of airplanes and their passengers by considering factors like gravity, air resistance, and lift. Similarly, the Canadian National Building Code sets out requirements for building structures to withstand various loads, including their own weight and the force of gravity. Understanding these physical principles is crucial for ensuring the safety and stability of buildings. The takeaway. So, to answer our initial question, Newton's law of universal gravitation isn't regulated in Canada because it's not a law in the traditional sense. It's a scientific principle that forms the foundation for many regulations that ensure our safety and well-being. Science may not have a badge and handcuffs, but its influence on our daily lives is undeniable. From the planes we fly into the buildings we live in, the principles of physics, including Newton's law of universal gravitation, play a crucial role in shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and until next time.